Anything that surrounds us is known as environment. All the things that make up the environment are its components. The environment has two components, abiotic and biotic. Abiotic environment. The abiotic environment consists of non-living things. It includes air, water, and land. Climatic factors like rainfall, wind, sunlight, etc. also form a part of the abiotic environment. Biotic environment. The biotic environment comprises of living things like plants, animals, and microbes. These components can be broadly divided into three categories: producers, consumers, and decomposers. Producers. All living things that can prepare their food are referred to as producers or autotrophs. Green plants have the ability to prepare food through photosynthesis and hence are known as producers. Consumers. The organisms that eat the food prepared by the producers are called consumers or heterotrophs. All animals and human beings are heterotrophs. Consumers can further be divided into three types based on their food. They are herbivores, carnivores, and omnivores. Decomposers. The organisms which feed on dead plants and animals and reduce them to simpler substances, thereby returning the constituents back to the soil, are called decomposers. Microbes, including bacteria and fungi, act as decomposers. Certain other animals like jackals, vultures, and hyenas also feed on the remains of dead animals. They are also decomposers and are known as scavengers. Relationship between abiotic and biotic components. There is an interdependence not only between different biotic components but also between abiotic and biotic components of the environment. Human beings and the environment. All organisms, including human beings, depend on the environment to fulfill their needs. These needs include basic requirements like oxygen, food, water, and shelter. Other needs like medicines, etc. are also fulfilled by it. A healthy environment is an absolute necessity for our well-being. Due to an ever-increasing human population, man's interference with nature has increased. The human activities which are reducing the quality of the environment are as follows. Deforestation. Due to excessive deforestation, an imbalance is created in nature. This imbalance leads to frequent floods, soil erosion, increase in pollution, reduction in fertility of the land, and many more problems. Developing industries, industrialization. Developing a large number of industries to make life more comfortable and increase the standard of living is adversely affecting the environment. Various harmful gases are being released into the atmosphere by these industries which pollute the air. Harmful chemicals and huge amount of waste from industries are disposed into the water bodies. Increasing number of vehicles. With the increase in human population, number of vehicles are also increasing. Due to this, harmful gases, smoke, etc. are released in the atmosphere. Besides air pollution, vehicles also create noise pollution through various sounds like blowing of horns. Impact of pollution on human health. Various kinds of pollution like air, water, noise, and soil pollution are affecting human beings in different ways. Some of the common health problems like asthma, bronchitis, pneumonia, and lung cancer are caused because of air pollution. Water pollution causes diseases like cholera, dysentery, and mental disorders. Noise pollution is responsible for permanent and temporary deafness, apart from lack of concentration. Soil pollution reduces the fertility of soil, thereby producing lesser food. Conservation of the environment. Protection or restoration of natural environment is conservation of the environment. A few ways to protect the environment are mentioned here. Plant more and more trees. Reuse and recycle materials like newspapers, plastic bottles, aluminium cans, etc. Save water and electricity. Reduce the use of chemical fertilizers. Manage industrial waste sensibly.